Hi everyone! Today I want to share a video life hack how to easily remove any print from the plate. Some prints come off the plate easily, but some are more difficult. The main reason is the temperature of the plate. The cooler the plate, the easier it is to remove the print. After printing, the plate cools down gradually. After printing, the plate cools down gradually. At first, to speed up cooling, I use the press. I used to. I, I used to press the plate against a window glass. It was winter and the glass was cold. You had to wait a little until you heard the first crack or pop of the metal, but you also had to hold the plate carefully. You had to wait a little until you heard the first crack or pop of the metal, but you also had to hold the plate carefully. Later, I discovered a simpler way. Put the plate in the freezer for a few minutes. For example, while I prepare the next file or change the filament color, the plate cools down, and most of the time the print comes off by itself. This method doesn't deform the plate, saves time, and lets me start the next print faster. If you like this video, please give it a like, and if you have similar life hacks, please share them in the comments. Thank you and see you in the next videos. Bye bye.